Hello guys, what's up? I'm Sush Designer, and today I want to talk about SketchUp for beginners. I'm gonna start with some type of very simple setting in SketchUp. So about modifying your environment and your workspace, you can drag these items in here and close them, or you can change the position of them everywhere you want. As you can see, we have these type of options in here. For visibling these type of objects and subjects, you can click on the view, open the toolbar setting. You can click on the camera, classifier, construction, drawing, edit, landscape, getting started, large tool cell, location, or many type of other things on your desktop. As you can see, very simple and easy, and press OK. This is all of the important things in the SketchUp, but usually we don't need all of them. For example, for drawing the some simple box, you can click on the rectangle option and draw some rectangle like this, and use push or pull option for your extruding. Very simple and easy. You can adjust your faces like that, or you can select your edges and move them to the upward or the left side, something like that. Very simple and easy. Sometimes you can rescale your edges, so you can click on it and use scale option in here like that. I'm going to select these lines in here, and for example I'm going to use scale option. As you can see, we can deform these type of things in SketchUp, or some type of things like that. As you can see, in many type of ways we can create some type of group in here. I'm going to right click and create some type of group, or I can take some copy of them in different distances. Very simple and easy. And you can flip them on the red direction, something like that, or you can select all of them and take some copy, flip, rotation on the blue axis. Very simple and easy. As you can see, we can create these type of form and shapes in the SketchUp very fast and quick. Another type of things in here, like the sandbox, helps you to create some type of terrain in the SketchUp. So I draw my terrain in here, and now I can use the smooth option to adjust my terrain box like that. As you can see, very simple and easy and very useful. Something like that, or like this. As you can see, we deform these type of models in here, and you can reverse all of the faces like that. Another option we have is about the creating some type of shape on the sandbox. So I'm going to draw some rectangle like this, convert it to some type of group in here, and I want to move this rectangle on my sandbox. Very simple and easy. And now I can use some objects like the drape option and click on my sandbox. As you can see, in this place we don't have any type of lines, but I want to select this and add it to my surface. Now I have these lines in here. It's really useful in terrain design and landscape design. Another option we have is about the using a stamp option. It's work like that. I'm going to click on it, select my face, and click on that to reach to some type of thing like here. For example, you can model some type of airport in here. Very simple and easy. And for example, this is the main road and main band of our airport. Another type of things and tools in the SketchUp, like the style option, helps us to change our style to the transparency or X-ray, or change it to the back edges. As you can see, we have another option called wireframe. We can change our models to the wire mode, or hidden lines, shaded with texture, or monochrome. As you can see, these type of options help you to model your objects and aims very simple and easy at the quickest time. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, don't forget it. For more videos, please subscribe us, and goodbye.